Okay, hello. So now we're going to talk about perfect squares and square roots. Okay, so let's start with perfect squares. So what is a perfect square? Well, it's a square of a number. Okay, so if we take any number a and square it, we're going to end up with a perfect square. So in other words, the definition of a perfect square is any number where there's a unique number that when squared will give you that number. Okay? For example, 25 is a perfect square. Why? Because you can find a number that when you multiply it by itself one time or twice, you get that number. So what number squared equals this number? 5. So 25 is a perfect square because you could take 5 squared and you get 25. Okay, what about 81? 81 is a perfect square because you can take 9 and square it and you get 81. What about 1,296? Is 1,296 a perfect square? Sure is. Because I could take 36 squared, and I'm going to get 1,296. Okay, what about the 1,024? Is that a perfect square? Sure is. Because I could take 32 squared, and I get 1,024. So all of those are examples of perfect squares. What about 24? Is 24 a perfect square? No, it is not. Because there's no such number that I can find where if I square that number, I'm going to get 24. Okay, and the easiest way to find it is just look at the factors of 24. The factors of 24 are what? 2, 4, 6, 12. Oh, forgot 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So there's no numbers in there that if we double or square it, we're going to get 24. Okay? And so that's the idea of what a perfect square is. And it comes from the idea that we're squaring numbers to get there. Have a great day.